In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit raw image Capture One. We'll keep things simple and effective by focusing on three essentials: importing your raw files, dialing in a clean white balance, and refining detail with sharpening and noise reduction. By the end, you'll have a solid, repeatable workflow that sets you up for great-looking images. Start by importing your raw photos into either a catalog or a session. A catalog is ideal if you want one organized library for many shoots over time, while a session is perfect for a single project or client job. In Capture One, click Import, choose your source, and confirm where the files should live. Keep them as raw. This preserves the maximum data and flexibility for editing. Give the software a moment to build previews. This makes everything faster and more responsive as you work. A good base also means a sensible folder structure, so choose a location you'll remember and back up later without confusion. Next, set the white balance to remove unwanted color casts and establish a natural starting point. Raw files store full color temperature and tint information, so you can adjust them without degrading the image. Open the white balance tool and try the eyedropper on a truly neutral area, something gray or white without reflections. Avoid specular highlights or bright screens, which can trick the tool. If you don't have a neutral target in the scene, adjust the temperature slider for warmth or coolness. Then fine-tune tint to counter green or magenta shifts. Aim for realistic skin tones and believable colors in known objects, like white clothing or concrete. If you're editing a series under the same lighting, copy the white balance from one image and apply it to the rest to maintain consistency. Finally, refine the details with sharpening and noise reduction. Zoom to 100% to judge accurately. Start sharpening slowly. Increase the intensity just enough to add crispness to edges without creating halos or a crunchy, over-processed look. Small, incremental moves are best. For noise reduction, begin with color noise to clean up speckled reds, greens, and blues. Then address luminance noise, the grainy texture that shows up, especially at high ISO. Balance is the goal. Reduce noise until it stops distracting you, while preserving as much fine detail as you can. If you find the image getting plasticky, back off slightly on noise reduction or lower sharpening to keep it natural. That's the core workflow. Import for a solid base, correct white balance for accurate color, and finesse the details with sharpening and noise control. Keep it subtle, be consistent, and your raw edits in Capture One will look clean, precise, and professional.